In order to use our game, the user must first create an account to log in. The user must sign up with a valid email and use a password that fits the shown criteria. If a user manages to forget their password, they will be able to reset it given they know the email that was used to create the account. When a user logs in, they can either create a game or join an existing one. When creating a game, a user can pick the settings their game will have upon creation. They can choose the number of decks, whether cards are pre-shuffled, or if jokers should be included in the given decks. The user can also specify number of sinks, whether to display cards that have been discarded, and the starting size of a player's hand. Once the settings have been picked, the user will go to the lobby where they will wait for others to join the game. A player will be able to join the game using the game code that is shown upon game creation. Once all players are in the lobby, the game may start. The user interface is meant to be intuitive. The user's hand is shown in the bottom of the screen. The other players and their hands are shown in the top left. Decks and sinks are shown to the right, along with their information. The chat where players can message and the server displays movements is shown on the bottom left. Cards can be moved in one of two ways, by dragging and dropping the card, or by clicking the card and specifying its destination. All cards also have a flip functionality so the user can choose to show or hide cards. When a red line is over the card in the player's hand, that means other players can see that card. Show and hide all card buttons are shown to allow the user to make these changes quickly. The chat is used to display each action taken in the game and to communicate with the others in the game. The player can also choose to reset the game to the initial state with the settings that were specified prior to game creation. A player may only be in one game at a time, so when they decide to join another game, they must either leave their current game or end the game, which ends the game for all current users. Upon ending a game, all players will be redirected to the Create or Join Game screen.